you guys saw last night's upload, you saw that I got these new Hostile logo put on the truck, as well as Kryptonite, McGaughy's, and Nitto. And on last night's upload, I explained why I have Nitto decal when I have Furies. So if you missed it, go check it out. But this is actually what I love about this wrap, because go watch last night's episode if you haven't already, because the sun was directly hitting it. That sunlight, you could barely see the skull. But right now, the way it's parked and the way the sun is hitting it, the skull almost looks grayish, almost like a plasti dip texture look to it. It's very visible. That's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want something that popped too much, but at the same time that actually blends in too. Ah, that came out way too. Look at that truck, what a beast. But yeah, that turned out exactly how I wanted to. For now, we haven't eaten, so we're about to go pick up some food and go back to painting. About 10,000 miles overdue on the fuel filter change. What do you got, over 15,000 miles now?
We don't go by miles, we go by, what do you call that thing in
the gauge?
In the gauge, yeah.
I don't know.
So I'm supposed to be...
I'm sure your gauge...
I still got 13% to go.
I bet your gauge reset it at one point. Because there ain't no way. There is no way. I'm pretty sure it got reset it at one point. Because when's the last time you changed the fuel filter? So you don't even remember.
A year ago?
There's no way.
Over a year ago?
Over a year ago. So I would say roughly, definitely over 15,000 miles. Change the fuel filter before you deleted it or after you deleted it?
Dude, is it that been that long?
You haven't done it since...
No, I did it at once after, yeah.
Once after you deleted it? Okay. Well, that's good. All right. We've done an L5P fuel filter video, but it should be right there. That's the fuel filter on the L5Ps, which is a lot easier to do than the previous generation where it's on the passenger side wheel well. You know what I noticed too? Because this is a true Allison 6-speed transmission, you have to spin on trans filter.
Do I?
Yeah, you do right there.
Okay, yes I do.
And I'm guessing you've never changed that.
I never changed that.
Oh my god, this guy calls himself a mechanic and he doesn't do any of the maintenance.
Doesn't do
Good
it.
lord.
Watch your head.
Oh yeah. My 10-speed doesn't have an external fuel filter.
So that means you have to drop the pan to...
Bro, that filter is black. Goodness gracious, bro.
Yes. It's disgusting.
Although, I mean, it does turn black within miles of driving the truck, but...
It gets dirty, dude. Look at all that shit in there, see?
Look at all that water.
Yeah, but the water was there from...
Oh, that's
bucket,
right.
yeah.
That's right. There's a lot of crap in there.
Yeah, I did replace this one. I remember because at some point I put some Chinese filter on this thing.
Yeah?
Yes.
You just put cheap filter on it?
A cheap filter. Well, I ordered it from eBay and it said that it was the original filter. So...
It probably was an original one. Because at one point they changed the packaging. So it looked like it was a fake filter. But yeah, AC Delco changed the packaging. It's different.
No, the other one, I know it was like... The quality was totally different.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
That's why I order all my stuff from Rock Auto. Did you order this from Rock Auto?
This one came from Rock Auto.
I think I ordered like 5 at a time, just because it was cheaper that way with shipping. It's like I'll just order 5 now and not have to worry. Show everybody, that's the new one.
Compared to the old one.
Oh my god.
Jeez, did you think the truck is gonna run better?
Well, truck's gonna be happier for sure. I wanna like split this in half.
Normally do is I just put a little bit of oil here.
Yeah.
And a little bit of oil on this thing.
You lube it up a little bit.
Lube it up a little bit.
You're gonna replace the
O-rings.
O-rings?
Yes, definitely.
And it took all about 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's what it takes.
And we've been delaying it since Orange Beach invasion. Dude, that was like a month ago. Over a month ago. We kept saying, oh, we'll do it tomorrow, this weekend, tomorrow. 2 months later. There you go, prime the system. You just put it in run position a couple times. You'll hear it.
Yeah, listen to it.
Yeah.
One more time.
One more time. You hear it, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We did it 3 times.
What was that? step on it?
I stepped on it.
Oh, you stepped on it.
Yeah.
I was like, why the hell did it make that sound? After spending a few more hours sanding the fender flares because, well, my base coat, you can see a lot of texture still, and I just kind of sat there and thought that this wasn't good enough for me. I didn't want to put these on the truck and walk by it every day and see the texture, so decided to completely smooth out the fender flares by sanding it for hours, because when I'm done with it, I want to be satisfied and actually proud and be proud of my work. So Donnie helped me do this one, and right now he's over there fixing his chair, doing upholstery. But I got this one to sand and this fender flare to sand, so it's probably gonna be another like 2 hours. But when I'm done with this tonight, we'll do our base coat tomorrow and our clear coat. So the guy at the paint shop actually recommended that if I do my base coat, I should do my clear within the 2 hours of it, so that way the clear can actually really stick to the paint and cure properly. He said ideally you really don't want to wait. He said overnight should be okay, but ideally you want to clear pretty much right after you do the base. So we're gonna do all of that tomorrow because it is already like 11:30, but I am gonna finish sanding all the plastic pieces tonight before heading home. And then on tomorrow's episode, we're actually gonna finally paint again and then clear coat. So I'm actually really excited about this because I think it's gonna come out really good. I thought this looked good, but upon closer inspection, this texture, no bueno. So we're gonna do it right. Currently 1 o'clock, so about 2 hours later, everything has been sanded down pretty good. I will probably hit this one more time tomorrow with a 400 grit sandpaper, but these two are, I would say, ready to go. It's about as smooth as it's gonna get. So tomorrow when we come back, we'll actually start painting and clear coating. I know it's been a long process. I know that we've been working on this for almost a week now, but like I said, I looked at it, I was ready to spray clear today, and I stopped myself. And you know, one of the reasons why I do make this video is because I want to show you guys that all of this can be done. It can be done well as long as you put in the time and the effort to do so. You can achieve professional results from your house with basic tools as long as you put some time. Man, my hand is just ringing right now from holding that sander for 2 hours. So every time I touch something, it just tingles and rings. It's weird. So stick around, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I know if you made it this far, I know you want to see the final results of how these turn out, and I cannot wait. And once I do clear coat, I'm actually gonna wet sand and polish as well. So I really hope these turn out because I've spent a lot of time and effort prepping these and making sure that these turn out good. So I really just hope that it does turn out good. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the daily upload during the weekdays. Let me know in the comments below if that is something you look forward to during the week. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.